Hello students, so today we are going to discuss a new chapter, and this is what lines and angle chapter 6. Okay, so before starting a chapter we must have to know some terms are there. First one, line segment. Here it is, line segment. Line segment is what? A part of a line with two end point is called line segment. Okay, so how we have to understand this? See, suppose we are taking like that. Say here it is A and it is B, so it is one end point and it is also one end point. So here there are two endpoints are there, and the endpoints are A and B, and this is known as line segment. Okay, next we have ray. So ray is what given? A part of a line with one end point is called ray. That means this one. Suppose this is the end point, it is A, and here it will go up to infinity. So here only the endpoint is what? A, and that means it has a one endpoint, and this is known as ray. So collinear points, what is given? If three or more points are lie on the same line is called collinear point. Suppose like that, there is a line like that. Okay, say there is one point A, one point B, and another point C. Since these 3 points are lying on the same line, that's why this point A, B, and C are said to be collinear. Then we have non-collinear points. What is given? If 3 or more points are not lie on the same line is called non-collinear points. That means it's like that. See, there is a line like that. Okay, there is a line. Let me focus. Yes, there is a line like that. So one point is here. Suppose this one is A. Okay, and say this one here, one another point B, and one point is here C. Clearly these 3 points are not lie on the same line. That's why the ABC are said to be non-collinear point in this time. Okay, next we have what? Angles. Angles are formed when two rays originate from the same end point. Okay, say consider this is a ray. Say this is the end point is A, O. Say O is the end point. Okay, and here it is a ray. Suppose O X. Again we are getting another ray just like that, O Y. So these two rays OX and OY have the same end point O. So we are getting an angle in between these two rays. Okay, so this is the angles which are formed by the two rays that originate from the same endpoint. Next, as we come to know about the angle, now we have to know about the types of angle. Okay, see this one. Here it is acute angle. This is said to be acute angle. Maybe you have learned in previous classes. Acute angle is lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. That means suppose 45 degree is there, so this will be acute angle. Then suppose 75 degrees there, then this will be also acute angle. But if you have given 91 degree, then this angle is not acute angle, because the acute angle limit is what? Between 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so nextly we have right angle. That means the angle whose value is 90 degree, not less than 90 or not more than 90, accurately 90 degree, then these angles are known as right angle. Then we have obtuse angle. See, obtuse angle is what? The angle whose value is lie between 90 degree and 180 degree are known as obtuse angle. Suppose one angle value 93 degree, then these angles are obtuse angle. And suppose one angle value is 178 degree, then this angle also a obtuse angle. But if the value of the angle say 181 degree, then this time you cannot say it as a obtuse angle. Okay, nextly we have straight angle. That means the angle whose value is 180 degree is known as straight angle. That means the value must be 180 degree, not more than 180, neither less than 180. It must be accurately 180 degree. Then we have reflex angle. This is one kind of another angle. The angle whose value lie between 180 degree and 360 degree. That means 184 degree, 225 degree, 350 degree. These are all known as reflex angle. So this is the diagram of a reflex angle. Okay, Next we have adjacent angle. See, when two angles are formed from the same vertex, that means here the B is the vertex now, for the angle ABD and for the angle DBC, for both angle the B is the vertex, so this type of angles are known as adjacent angle. Okay, two or more angle can be formed, okay, but minimum two angles are required to be a adjacent angle. Then linear pairs of angle, this is very important for to complete this chapter. Linear pair of angle is what? When two angles are formed to make 180 degree, then this is known as linear pairs of angle. Clearly here AB is a line segment, okay, sorry, AC is a line segment and BD is a ray on it. So AC is a straight line and BD is a ray on it, then you will get two angles which will make a linear pairs of angle, because the sum of these two angles is always 180 degree. So this is known as linear pairs of angle. Next one more angle we have vertically opposite angle. See, AB and CD both line segment are mutually intersecting. They may be particular or may be perpendicular or may not be perpendicular, but they must be mutually intersecting line. Now this angle AOD and this angle BOC, they are vertically opposite, na? That's why these angles are known as, these two angles are known as vertically opposite angle. If we turn this book like that, see, also here AOC and BOD also vertically opposite angles, so these two angles are also known as vertically opposite angle. But very interesting thing is that two vertically opposite angles are always equal to each other. That means angle AOC will be equal to angle BOD and angle AOD will be equal to angle COB. Okay, so next we have, see, intersecting line. When two lines intersect, then they are known as intersecting line, because PQ and RS, two line segments, are intersecting each other. Okay, so they are known as intersecting line. Here PQ and RS, sorry, I draw this. So here PQ and RS does not intersecting, so these two lines are known as non-intersecting, but these two lines are parallel, so non-intersecting parallel lines. Okay, then we have pairs of angle. See, for pairs of angle, this is the linear pairs of angle, because these two angles will form a 180 degree angle. Okay, so here the axiom 6.1 in Euclid postulates, in the previous chapter, in chapter 5, you know about the axiom. So axiom 6.1 say what? If ray stand on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angle so form is 180 degree. That means this is the diagram. There is a AB is a line and OC is a ray stand on it. That means angle AOC and plus angle COB, this value will be always equal to 180 degree. So this is the axiom 6.1. Okay, then axiom 6.2, what is it? If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then the non-common arms of a angles form a line. Very easy. See, earlier we have said that if this ray is stand on a line, then these two angles are 180 degree. This time we are saying what? If sum of two angles is 180 degree, then the non-common side, that means OA and OB are the non-common side, because OC is common for this angle and this angle also, because OCA, it is forming an angle, so OC is common here, and also OCB is forming an angle here, OC is also common. So non-common side is what? OA and OB. So these two sides will make a straight line. That means this will make a line. Okay, so using that example, we have got another theorem. See, the theorem is what? If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. That means if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. That means AOD equal to angle COB and angle AOC equal to angle BOD. And we need to prove that, because this is a theorem. So by using the axioms, we have to prove the theorem 6.1.